With the name of Allah, Rahman and Rahim, dear students, Unit 3.1 lesson from the Battle of Uhud is in progress. In the previous lecture, I talked about the strength of the Quraysh of Makkah and the decision of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that the battle would be fought outside Medina. Today, my lecture will encompass the confusing words, the pairs of words of these two paragraphs, the number of archers deployed on the mound behind the main position, how the battle began, what's a duel. Let's start first paragraph. Uhud, a few miles from Medina, was a great stretch of barren rock, rising out of the desert without any growth of vegetation. Uhud is the name of a place where the battle fought between the Muslims and the Quraysh of Makkah. Stretch means expanse, a wide area, barren means infertile. Without any growth of vegetation, vegetation means plants. The Holy Prophet ﷺ commanded the Muslim warriors to take up their position at Uhud on the rising ground. A band of archers, their runes screen. Muhammad ﷺ formed a squad of 50 skillful archers and placed under the command of Abdullah bin Jubair bin An-Numan. He ordered them to remain where they were, which was on the side of mountain at the south bank of the Qanat Valley, southeast of Muslim camps. Later on, the mount was called the Mount of Archers. Our Holy Prophet ﷺ instructed them, defend our backs. If you see us slain, killed, don't come to assist us. And if you see that we have acquired booty, don't share in that with us. Dear students, this has been taken from the Sealed Nectar, an autobiography of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What does a band of archers mean? It means a squad of 50 skillful archers deployed by Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The archers were commanded not to abandon means leave their post under any circumstances, any situation, without the approval of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Look at the second paragraph. After the duels, the battle began. What does the duels mean? Look at the screen, please. The first fighter to come out for a duel from the Quraysh was Talha bin Abi Talha al-Abadri. Sorry, al-Abdari. This is clerical mistake. Corrected. Who was the standard bearer? He had been nicknamed the Ram of Battalion. He was answered by Az-Zubair bin Al-Awwam, who pulled him down to the ground and slaughtered him with his sword. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam praised, every people has a disciple, and my disciple is Az-Zubair. Talha's brother Usman ran forward and seized the standard. Hamza bin Abdul Muttalib attacked him and dealt a severe blow to him, which cut through his arm and shoulder and went down to his navel and exposed his lungs. 10 fighters from Abdudar were killed. Martyrdom, martyrdom was Muslims' announced motto on that day. Dear students, this has also been taken from the Sealed Nectar, a book Now look at the paragraph. Duel means mano a mano fight. Dual means double, DUAL. He pursued dual career in music and painting. R. He shows a dual nature. Duel. A formal fight between two people. He challenged his enemy to a duel. Battle means a small scale combat. Look at the screen. War. What's the difference between war and warfare? War is a large scale event involving one or more nations. Warfare is the technology of waging war. Battle versus embattled. Battle is a rather small scale combat. Embattled means experiencing a lot of difficulties. In the duels, the Muslims had upper hand. After the duel, the battle began. The Quraysh charged with great force. Charge mean attacked, but the Muslims held fast. Held fast means remained tightly secured. Then, in a counterattack means an attack made in response. The Muslims broke the enemy's line and the Quraysh fell back. Fell back means retreated. At this stage, the contingent of the Muslim archers, contingent means squad. Archers mean bowmen, Bowmen. Contrary means against the instructions of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. What were the instructions of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? Defend our backs. If you see us killed, don't come to assist us. And if you see that we have acquired booty, don't share in that with us. Left their position in order to plunder. Plunder mean gather the camp. The in order to gather the booty, the camp of the retreating Quraysh. Retreating means the Quraysh were in chaos and retreating. Khalid bin Walid, who had not yet converted to Islam, was commanding a contingent of the Quraysh, a group within the main group. He rushed with his contingent of cavalry, means soldiers who fought on horseback. Modern soldiers fight in armored vehicles and occupied the position after killing 10 of the Muslim archers who had stayed behind. Dear students, total 50 archers had been deployed. When they saw that the Muslims had defeated the non Muslims, 40 out of 50 left their place. So it was easy for Khalid bin Walid and his companions to attack the 10 Muslim archers. That changed the course of the battle. Course means direction. The defenses of the Muslims were broken, and in the confusion that followed, many Muslims were martyred. Hamza radiallahu ta'ala anhu, an uncle of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, fell fighting. He was martyred. A Sahabi, Musab bin Umair, who had some physical resemblance means similarity, with the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, fell fighting, and seeing his dead body, the Quraysh shouted that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had been killed. Before concluding the lecture, look at the word meanings on the screen. To sum up, our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam assigned different posts and responsibilities to the followers of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The second paragraph throws light on the two key points: how the battle began, to the tactical mistake committed by the 40 archers who left their post. This is all for today. Thank you and have a blessed day.